My blood pressure monitor is lying. You've probably thought that before. In this video, we're going to cover why the readings on your device might differ from your doctor's office, why your left and right arm numbers don't match, and how you can actually test the accuracy of your automatic monitor. Stick around until the end to put those doubts to rest and find out why you shouldn't just toss your monitor in the trash yet. Why do my home monitor and my doctor's office disagree? It happens all the time, and it doesn't always mean your device is broken. The most common culprit is white coat syndrome, that temporary spike in blood pressure or heart rate caused by stress or anxiety during a medical visit. Your home readings can look completely different from what you see in the clinic. To separate white coat syndrome from actual hypertension, doctors often suggest home monitoring, measuring your BP regularly in a calm environment, or even 24-hour ambulatory monitoring. You can start with the first one easily. Just take your measurements at the same time every day, like before breakfast or before bed. It gives you a much better picture of your health. Also, keep in mind that blood pressure isn't a static number. It fluctuates constantly. You stand up and walk across the room, it goes up a bit. You've been lying still for a while? It dips. That's normal. Don't panic if your BP is hovering around 120/80. It's too early to blame your device if you got 125/85 at the doctor's and 110/70 at home. That said, if you're concerned about your numbers, always talk to your doctor. Why are the readings different on my left and right arms? Your body isn't a symmetrical schematic. It's a living system with complex vascular anatomy. Blood flow resistance and hydrodynamics vary before the blood even reaches your cuff. Plus, for most people, the right arm is dominant. The muscle mass and vascular network on your working arm are often more developed, which can affect blood flow and arterial elasticity. In medicine, it's a known fact. If there are no vascular issues, a difference of 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury between arms is perfectly normal. A difference only becomes clinically significant if it consistently exceeds 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury. Stop hunting for perfect symmetry. Focus on consistency by using the same arm under the same conditions every time. How do I check if my monitor is lying? You can't calibrate the sensor yourself at home, but you can run a sanity check. Method 1. The doctor's office comparison. Bring your monitor to your next appointment. Ask your doctor or nurse to take a reading with a manual cuff, then wait 2 minutes and take one with your device on the same arm. A difference of 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury is normal. If your device is consistently off by more than 15 millimeters of mercury, it probably needs service or replacement. You can also try this at home if you have a manual cuff and know how to use it. Method 2. The consecutive test. Sit comfortably and rest for 5 minutes. Take 3 readings in a row with a 2-minute break in between. Take the cuff off between readings to let your vessels return to their normal state. Record the results. If your device is all over the place, for example, 120/80, then 150/90, then 135/85, the issue is likely the compressor, the sensor, or just a poorly fitted cuff. If the numbers stay within a 5 to 7 point range, your device is working just fine. Note, if you're using a Paramed device and having issues, our support team is always happy to help. What not to do before declaring your monitor broken? Don't compare it to another home monitor. It's pointless. You have no idea which one is lying more. You're just comparing 2 potential errors. Don't use mobile apps. Apps that claim to measure your blood pressure by pressing a finger against a camera lens are just toys, not medical tools. They have nothing to do with real blood pressure measurement. The same goes for most smartwatches. They aren't reliable enough for medical use. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments. Check out our other videos on blood pressure monitors and make sure to subscribe. Here's to keeping your BP in the healthy zone. See you next time.